I'm Brennan Sim, Senior Vice President of EB5 United. At EB5 United, our principals have raised more than $500 million through the EB5 program, helping over 1,000 EB5 investors obtain more than 2,000 green cards for themselves and their family. Our objective at EB5 United is simple: to deliver a green card and the full return of the $900,000 investment back to each investor. We structure significant safeguards in our deals to assure investors that this will happen. I appreciate your time, and I hope to meet you at the Bosco conference on June 24th. Looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you.